In a rare and unexpected turn of events, Marla Maples and Donald Trump reunited at Tiffany Trump's rehearsal dinner, marking a significant moment in the Trump family's complex history. The dinner, which was held at an exclusive venue, was not only a celebration of Tiffany's upcoming wedding to Michael Boulos, but also a moment that brought together two influential figures of the Trump family, Marla and Donald, who had been divorced for over 2 decades. This reunion was a stunning reminder that despite their personal history, family ties remain strong, and it was a moment that captured the attention of not just family members, but the media as well. Tiffany Trump, the youngest daughter of Donald, and Marla, has often stayed out of the public spotlight compared to her siblings, but this event marked a turning point in her life. With her wedding approaching, she was about to take on a new chapter with her fiancé, Michael Boulos, and it was clear that she wanted both of her parents to be a part of this milestone. The fact that Marla and Donald could come together in a moment of unity for their daughter was not only significant, but a rare glimpse into how family can overcome past conflicts for the sake of celebration. The dinner was intimate yet elegant, with close family members and a few of Tiffany's closest friends in attendance. Marla, looking stunning in a sophisticated black dress, was beaming with pride as she supported her daughter during this important time. She was seen laughing and engaging in heartfelt conversations with guests, making it clear that this reunion wasn't just about the event itself, but about her personal journey as a mother and her bond with Tiffany. Marla's presence at the dinner demonstrated her deep commitment to her family and her daughter's happiness, despite the complex nature of her relationship with Donald. Donald, meanwhile, was the center of attention as the former president. But this evening was less about politics and more about family. He and Marla seemed to have put their past differences aside, embracing the rare opportunity to share in the joy of Tiffany's engagement. Donald, who was seated at the head of the table, spoke fondly of Tiffany's achievements, praising her success and expressing how proud he was of her. While Donald's relationship with his children from both marriages has often been a subject of public scrutiny, his affection for Tiffany was clear as he shared stories about her childhood and her accomplishments. Adding another layer of intrigue to the evening was Melania Trump, Donald's current wife, who attended the rehearsal dinner with him. Melania, known for her more private nature, appeared poised and reserved during the evening but was visibly supportive of Tiffany, giving her an encouraging hug as the evening progressed. Melania's presence at the event was both a symbol of unity and a reflection of the evolving dynamics within the Trump family. While she and Marla have been publicly distant at times, their mutual respect for Tiffany seemed to bridge any gaps. The situation could have been awkward, but Melania handled it with grace, focusing on the importance of family. Tiffany's fiancé, Michael Boulos, was by her side throughout the evening, showing his support and excitement for the next chapter. In their lives, Michael, a Nigerian-American businessman, has quickly become a beloved figure within the Trump family. His warmth and charm were evident as he mingled with both sides of Tiffany's family. Throughout the evening, he made sure that both of Tiffany's parents felt welcome, often sharing moments of laughter with Marla and Donald. The chemistry between him and Tiffany was undeniable, and as the night went on, it was clear that this was the start of a beautiful new chapter for the young couple. As the dinner progressed, Donald and Marla's interactions reflected a sense of mutual respect and understanding, especially when it came to their daughter. The couple spent moments reminiscing about Tiffany's childhood and shared memories that brought both joy and nostalgia. While the years have passed since their divorce, these shared experiences allowed them to reconnect, if only for the evening. Their ability to be present and positive for Tiffany's sake showed that, despite their differences, they could coexist peacefully for the good of their children. Family, friends, and other notable figures in attendance watched as this rare moment unfolded. The Trump family, often scrutinized for their high-profile relationships, appeared united for a brief moment, putting aside personal drama and political tensions to celebrate Tiffany's future. The significance of this evening was not lost on anyone present. For many, It served as a reminder that family ties, no matter how complicated, can still bring people together for moments of joy and celebration. For Tiffany, this evening was more than just a rehearsal dinner. It was a representation of the love and unity she has from both her parents. As she prepares for her upcoming wedding, it's clear that despite the media attention and past controversies, Tiffany has the unwavering support of both Donald and Marla. And this moment, although rare, demonstrated that family can find a way to unite even under the most complicated circumstances. So, what do you think about this Trump family reunion? Was it a genuine moment of reconciliation, or just another public display for the sake of appearances? Did this dinner mark a shift in how the Trump family will navigate future gatherings? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the Trump family and other celebrity stories.